Hi guys, welcome to Nairobi County. I'm your host Susan Wanjiru, and we are with Material Constructions, your number one precast construction agency. Behind me is our 3-bedroom bungalow, and we are almost done, actually almost handing over in a week or two. So I just want to show you what we've been able to do since the last time I was here. So let's take a look. So this is our entrance porch. We are done with our ceramic tiles, which ushers us into our sitting room area. Very big and massive. We are done with our TNG ceiling, and a bit of it will have our downlighters here. We've also set up our curtain rods to mean that the client is almost coming in. Our electricals work is also done. We have set our double sockets, our single switches and double switches. As you can see, we have our chandelier here, very well installed. Very big windows. These are one-way windows fabricated by Material Constructions to allow a lot of light and air to come in. Then on the floor part, we have done our floor part with wood and wood block floor. Very beautifully done and well installed. Then right in this space that I am, this is the dining space, whereby we're going to be setting our dining table and seats here. Then the dining table or the dining room will be faced by this beautifully done modern chimney. This beautifully done modern chimney is not done with precast like the entire house. We've just used normal stones, and down here we've used red bricks, and then we've cladded it with bush stones. Then up here and down here we have made the finishes with red apple granite, so that it looks beautiful. And then actually we're not going to leave it like that. We're going to sandpaper it and then apply the finishing varnish that is going to make the whole thing look all shiny and beautiful. Then over here we have our kitchen space. Our kitchen space is big, U-shaped, very beautifully done. We have done our top cabinets and the bottom cabinets. What I would say on the kitchen space, we have cladded it with granite, as you can see. Then on the cabinets part of it, most clients or customers will be asking, why don't we have handles? We have done the push to open kind of setup for these beautifully done cabinets. This is what we are using for the push and to open, so that's why we don't have handles. Then also our drawers are well installed, smooth, and very big enough for storage of anything. Then on this side, we are going to be setting our fridge right here. That's why we have this socket space. And then right here, we have our sink space with a very nice view from the other end. This tap is what we call the gooseneck tap, and our plumbing work actually is done, and our water is flowing very well, as you can see. Yeah. Then on this part, we have the socket space here that we're going to be mounting our 4-burner cooker, and then below here we're going to be mounting our cooker hood. Why do we have to set up our cooker hood? The cooker hood is going to be sucking the smoke or the soot that is going to be coming from the burner. So generally, this is what we have for the kitchen. Then right here we have the pantry space. The pantry space, we've already set up the cabinets, as you can see, and it is ready for use. And then out here we have the space that we are going to be setting our washing machine. As you can see, we have set our double socket here, the tap there. Then the rest of the cleaning will be using these taps right here. So this is a well set place. Then something I didn't tell you, the kitchen floor is not the same as the sitting space floor. This is an SPC laminate floor for easier cleaning and to enhance warmth in the kitchen. So let me show you the bathroom space. Sorry. the bedroom spaces. So this is bedroom number 1. As you can see, paint works done, electrical work done. We have our moonlight power here. Then we have our wall lights well mounted, curtain rods well mounted, very big windows to allow a lot of air and light to come in. And the most impressive part of it is that also our wardrobes, our push-to-pull wardrobes, as you can see, are well set. And then there is a very beautiful decoration right here of we call it a mirror. So you can be using this as a mirror as you go to work. Then it is not ensuite, so it's going to be using this bathroom space. This is the bathroom space for bedroom number 1, and we've been able to do the 3-way shower. The 3-way shower will have the spray gun right here. So it has a nozzle here. If you want to use water from the spray gun, you do the first nozzle. Then we have the handheld shower right here. If you want water flowing through all your body, then you can use the second nozzle. Then we have the normal shower, the shower head here, which is nozzle 3. And then we have the outlet nozzle. Instead of using the normal tap and you want the water to come out, then you can use this. So this is generally the setup that we have for all bathrooms. This is the toilet seat. Then we have the towel holder. We have our sink right here to, you can brush from here and also look at yourself, and then you can store your stuff down here. So that is bathroom for bedroom number 1. Then we have a common cloakroom here. When we have visitors coming into the house, they don't have to use just any bathroom space. They are going to be using this. So this is the toilet space. Then this is our hand wash basin, whereby after you use the bathroom, then you can use this for washing your hands. Then also, this is bedroom number 2. It's going to be using that same bathroom. It is the same as bedroom number 2. All works done, electricals, paint works, wardrobes, everything well, very, very well done. So let me take you into the master bedroom. The master bedroom is very big, massive and spacious, and it has a walk-in closet. So this is the master bedroom. Very big, spacious, a lot of light coming in. We have set our curtain rods, paint works are done. The sockets are well installed right here. Both the double and the single switches. Then we have our wall lights and our moonlight well installed. We are going to be setting our TV here, and if the client wants to install internet, then it is going to be coming from this side. And then right here we have an extra double socket if need be, we are going to be using. Then these are our double switches for the room, and then this is the single socket for the room. Then right here we have our walk-in closet. We have set our wardrobes. We have set also our drawers, very smooth, very big, to store anything that the client would want. And then we have done the finishing top with granite, which is red, just like in the chimney part of it. And this is the master bathroom. 3-way shower, just like the one in bedroom 2. Then we have our towel holder. We have our sink area for brushing. And then we have the cabinets right here. You can store your medication and everything else. Then on top here you can also put your lotions, your toiletries. And down here you might have extra things like toilet papers, soaps, and what have you. You can put them right here. Then on the wall part of it, we have done with normal ceramic tiles, and then on the toilet space, we have tried to do a bit of decoration with mosaic cladding. So this is the toilet space. This right here, you can use it for toothpaste and toothbrush holders, and then the toilet holder there. So guys, this is where we are in our project in Nairobi County. Keep following us and drop us a comment on our comment section and tell us what you think about the house. And if at all you want to build a house, speak to us, drop us a comment, and let's start discussing how we're going to build that dream home for you. Material Constructions, building the future, one family.